Hello everyone, here I want to introduce two of our very good power cable to you. This is the Zunmu power cable, and this green one it's the Nidas HC high current power cable. So first I want to introduce the Zunmu power cable first. And this is the power cable mainly for the source, which means you can use it to connect to your Blu-ray player, your CD, or your PM. Why it is so good is because it employs two very high quality monocopper. What is monocopper? When we making the monocopper, it takes a lot of time to making it because it has to take out all the unwanted mineral inside. It takes normally take like a 5-day process to making a monocopper. What good is monocopper? It has like a 60% lesser interference, lesser resistance than the normal oxygen-free copper. When it passes through the electricity pass through, it has less resistance. That's why it has less noise, and it can make a very quiet sound to the machine. Once you connect to your Blu-ray player, for example, the Blu-ray player will have very clean texture, and the blue, red, or yellow color is more saturated. And about the sound, it will have more quiet and transparent. It is like something like a double the time or 1 time better than the original equipment. This is our Zunmu cable. And you can also see these black color tube. It is using as a bumper. They used to absorb the vibration from the electricity. With it, the electricity like this pass through, but with the bumper, it absorbs the vibration. That's why the electricity is more stable to pass through this. Okay, this is a Zunmu cable. For source like a Blu-ray player, CD player, low power consumption gear, you can use Zunmu. But if you want a power cable for your power amp, for your main need from wall to the machine, then you can consider our Nidas cable. Nidas is mainly for power. It has one version is Nidas XC high current. We also have one junior one. It's called Nidas. For the Nidas XC, it has 5 wires. It's 2 live and 2 neutral. 1 is the ground. This is very special design. Normally, the power cable, they only have 3 wires. But why we make it a 2 wire? Because it had more contact area with it. Imagine if you have only 1 wire, if you contact to the metal part, it's like this. But if you have 2 wires, then you have 2 contact parts. It's something like a double the contact surface area. That's why it can bring more power to the connector. This is one very special design. And one more thing, and it is a oxygen-free copper, but we bring it to our cryogenic chamber. That's why it also enhances the performance of the wire. So it is a simply very good cryogenic treated copper wire. It is somewhat like a 20% better than the normal oxygen-free copper. And you can also see there are also some black rubber tip. It is the same as the Zunmu. It can make a absorb of the vibration. It makes the sound more stable, and more good power delivery. And it also has a copper foil. It used to block the unwanted noise and electromagnetic interference. And here's the finished product. You can see we employ our top quality gold connector, both sides, the male side and the female side. This is like a 1.8 meter. Can properly connect from the wall socket to your power plant, or from your power plant to your very good power amp. So if you want to get a very good power cable for your nice power amp, or from the main need to the power, then get the Nidas HC. And if you want to get a very high quality monocopper power cable for your source, like Blu-ray player or PM, get the Zunmu cable. It's from SINE. Thank you. Kabun Cup.